Good morning, HOD Professor A.K. Chaturvedi sir, my seminar guide Dr. K. Virana sir, seminar coordinator D.P. Sharma sir, faculty members, examiners, and my friends. I am Naresh Kumar, pursuing my B.Tech from University Department of Mechanical Engineering, Rajasthan Technical University, Kota. My seminar topic is installation of offshore wind turbine. This is going to be our list of content. First is introduction of offshore wind turbine. Renewable energy sources such as solar, hydro, wind, and bioenergy are becoming more popular as a result of rising natural gas and oil prices, dwindling fuel reserve, and responsibilities to cut CO2 emission to avoid climate change. When compared to traditional energy sources, these sources provide several economic and environmental advantages. Renewable energy is obtained from non-depletable resources and emits less pollution. This distinguishes renewable energy from fossil fuels and motivates many governments. The global interest in offshore wind turbine harvesting is growing significantly. Causes are increased energy demand, global energy sector expansion with a high importance of renewable resources, and that the wind speed ratio offshore is possibly higher than onshore, allowing for higher energy production. The current state of offshore wind energy. Currently, these are 18.9 gigawatt or so of installed offshore capacity. The installation rate has been increased year over year during the past few years. The offshore industry has expanded dramatically over the past several years, with the total installed offshore wind capacity about 10 times more than it was in 1996 and 2000, from 0.06 gigawatt to 18 gigawatt in 2018 and 36 gigawatt at the start of the 2020s. These statistics indicates of 412% average percentage change over the previous 25 years. Additionally, for the same time period, the average percentage increased for installed turbines and wind farm were 121% and 245% respectively. A classification of offshore wind turbine. Bottom fixed offshore wind turbines. The current offshore wind turbine market is dominated by the bottom fixed offshore wind turbines. Illustrate these common types. Bottom fixed offshore wind turbines, also known as foundation mounted wind turbines, refer to wind turbines that are installed on the seabed. These turbines are typically anchored to the seabed using a foundation such as monopile or a jacket structure which provides stability and help transfer load from the turbine to the seabed. Bottom fixed offshore wind turbines are typically installed in water depth ranging from 10 to 15 meters. Next, we'll be discussing about the floating wind turbines. Floating wind turbines are wind turbines that are mounted on floating structure rather than being anchored to the seabed. These allow them to be deployed in much deeper water, making them suitable for area where the water depth is too greater for water fixed wind turbines. Next, we discuss on overview of offshore wind turbine installation. First is site selection. The site selection of the site is the most important decision in the development of an offshore wind turbine offshore wind farm. It is the best accomplished through a short listing process that draws together all known information on the site options, with selection decisions driven by health and safety, feasibility, economics, and program taking account of information on consenting issues, grid connections. Next, we discuss on installation vessel and equipment. The installation process involves the delivery of wind turbines, their components, and equipment to the site, and the assembly and installation of turbines. Next, we discuss on the standards and guidelines. The offshore wind turbine installation activities, like any other offshore wind activities, must follow guidelines of regulatory authorities to ensure safety. The planning and execution of offshore installations should address various aspects, including risk management, operation criteria, weather forecast, and structural integrity, and required by the offshore oil and gas industry. Second, we discuss on numerical modeling tools. Numerical modeling provides an economic means for design, testing, and verification of novel installation methods. Numerical tools are also important for identifying potential risks during planning phase and hence for improving safety of marine operation during execution. Here, the focus is on physical-based simulation tools rather than a financial model-based tools. Next, we discuss on wind turbine component installation. First, installation method. Offshore assembly of wind turbine components after being transported to the site. The number of offshore lifts depend on factors like wind turbines design, lifting equipment, and sea condition and capacity of transport and installation vessel. Next is blade installation. Blade installation for offshore wind turbine is a complex and challenging process that requires specialized equipment, expertise, and careful planning to ensure safe and efficient installation. Next, we discuss on installation of transition piece and tower. With many typical bottom fixed foundation, when the foundation is installed, a transition piece is put on top of it to level out the horizontal irregularities. Transition paths don't rest on the floor but instead travel through the majority of water column. Cement ground is typically used to fill the space between the pile and the transition piece in the monopile foundation. Transition components are installed in port for jacket, foundation, and GBFs. Thus, the additional offshore lift is not necessary. Advantage and disadvantage of offshore wind turbine. First is advantage: greater wind resource, increased energy production, reduced visual effect, reduced noise pollution, job creation, economic beneficial, climate change mitigation. Next, we discuss on disadvantage. These are high installation and management costs, difficulty in installation, environmental impacts, risks associated with extreme weather, limited location. And the future outlook is the future of our offshore wind turbine installation industry is a positive. Since there are numerous unique options available, however, no agreement has been achieved on how a wind turbine should be built offshore. The following technical areas related to offshore wind turbine installers are envisages to experience rapid advantage in the near future. Wind turbine installation vessels, specialized equipment, and foundation technology. And the conclusion is bottom fixed foundation installation technique has mattered to some extent. Now with studying the present mitigating techniques, the noise during the pile drawing operation poses a significant barrier for monopile and jacket foundation with piles. Another issue with jacket foundation is how efficient they can install. The suction bucket foundation can speed up assembly in comparison to piles. The traditional installation approach for gravity-based foundation faces the difficulty of offshore wind lifts, while the float and submerged method is in the infancy. The single blade installation method had attracted a lot of interest of installing offshore wind turbine component utilizing specialized lifting, mating, and damping devices has been seen a trend to make installation easier in stronger winds and with a less human intervention. While other innovation ideas for installing the tower assemblies offshore have been also been put forth, the majority of these ideas are still in necessary stage of technology development. So that was all about my seminar topic. Thank you.